welcome to today's episode of Beyond the Pedal. It's been a while since we've done the recording, but we're back with a little mini-series of Mercedes C Class mods. And today we are changing our air filter, but not with any ordinary air filter. No, we are going in with a classic K&N Performance air filter. Why? Well, this week I am going to be doing a stage 1 remap on this car, and to kind of maximise that remap, I figured why not fit a performance air filter to the car to make it a little better, maybe half a brake, maybe 1 or 2 extra, but nevertheless it makes it a little bit more efficient for that remap. Today, really simple stuff. It's going to be one continuous thing, a short and sharp video, and then a quick sort of check at the very end, just to make sure that it's all working fine. What are you going to need? Obviously you're going to need your K&N Performance air filter. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver and it's like the star heads for your Allen keys or screwdrivers as well. That's the only tools that you need for today's video. So grab those and we'll get underway. So first thing you're going to want to do is out of the way first of all. Okay, first thing we're going to do on your Mercedes W205 C Class. This is the C200 and this will work for the C250 and C300 as well. Remove the engine cover. It's very simple, just pops off. Easy as this. Pop. All he says, pop. Done. Placed to one side. There are only 2 screws that you need to undo to do this. Like I say, it's very easy, very simple to do. They are located on the bottom left-hand side of the air filter box and the top left-hand side of the air filter box. Okay. Know what the air filter box looks like? Basically, what we'll find is the engine bay in the centre. To the left of the engine is a big square box on top with a hazard sign and a hand that says "Do not touch when hot," which is a very key thing for this. Don't do this when the engine's hot. Okay, do it when it's cold. Right, easy as that. So all you're going to do, 2 screws, top and bottom, and undo those. Very simple. On the right hand side, you're going to find almost like an open and close sort of hinge, if you will. They just pop out quite simply. Pop. There. You'll hear that audible pop out. This will move around. We're not doing an induction kit or anything like that, so you don't need to take anything else there. Bearing in mind, induction kit, for the sake of a cut brake horsepower, it's about 350 quid for one of these. K&N Air Filter, 60 quid. And a regular air filter is going to cost you anywhere between 10 and 20 bucks. So removing the air filter. So this is the reason why I bought the flathead. All you need to do is just prise the little part open, and then you can pull the rest of it out. Simple enough. There we have our old air filter. Again, changing your air filter, it will look like this, nice and thick, as you can see. Opening up our K&N air filter, very different story. As you can see, much thinner. And of course, you've got your obligatory K&N stickers. Open it like so, and we can see the difference already. I mean, yeah, you can feel the difference. This is a bit heavier. There you go. Exactly the same way as we took that one out, this one's going to go in. Right, with that now back inside, we're literally just going to put it all back together exactly the way we did it. So, click back in the 2 hinge parts, and of course, screw back in the two bolts, the 2 screws. Here we go. Done, and then easy as that. Next, obviously we need to check on it. However, a few things we need to do as well on top. So the great thing about a K&N Air Filter, okay, as it says, it is a lifetime air filter, which means you don't need to ever change it. Just take it out, give it an air blast, give it a good clean, keep the instructions, and of course, it comes with a handy little sticker that you can put on the airbox. There we go. So that when you go to your garage, you've got the do not discard, washable, reusable air filter part on there. So let's place that on. Ooh. There we go, easy as that. Finally, of course, place back on our engine cover. Okay, easy way to get this right is basically the circle fits the circle, aka the engine oil filler cap. So place on like so, fits in nicely. Push, 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 push. Easy as that. No fuss, no muss. And of course, then you've got your final little K&N Air Filter sticker, which you know most people stick on the side of the car, but not on the Mercedes. So, final bit now, a final check. So now, I'm just going to check it, make sure it works okay, and go from there, which I think it pretty much will. Let's grab the keys. Do whatever checks it's doing there. So, there you have it. K&N Air Filter fitted to your car. Easiest thing to do, very, very easy, very simple to do, minimal tools required, very simple and cheap mod that you can do for your Mercedes C Class. Right, hope you've enjoyed this episode. Next one coming up is going to be the stage 1 remap for this car, taking it hopefully from 184 to 238 brake. Fingers crossed that's what we're going to see, and 400 Nm of torque. But more on that episode coming soon. There you go, K&N Air Filter, done and dusted, easy as that. Thanks for watching guys, that's me signing off for now. See you on the next one, play the outro.